Hello guys, my name is Satinder Punya and my channel is English Bolo Dil Se, and my channel is providing you a very great information, and also my channel is helping you solve your problem. Look guys, life is not easy, okay? There are so much pain, so much struggle out there, and you have to face it. You know, life, you if you really want to win in life, you really want to success in your life, you have to live like a warrior. You know, warrior always face death like a game. Okay, death game. I mean you have to mentally and physically strong. I mean you have to prepare like, yeah, like an Iron Man. Okay, only this is you can compete your life. Otherwise, just go and outside the world, you won't see. I mean, it's very discussed that what kind of world it's become, and day by day, and now I mean it's very unfortunate that, and we are very dishonest, becoming dishonest day by day. So my channel is helping you that you can improve your English, you can improve your skill, because without English, without skill, you can't survive anywhere. Okay, anywhere you go, you must have to speak English. Okay, and also guys, that my channel is that I'm telling you, as I told you, that my channel is tell you that how you're gonna solve your problem, how you're gonna fix your problem, because life will give you many tasks as much as you can think. Okay, so my channel is all for helping you. So today's my topic is all about that, method acting. Look, I am not an actor. Okay, I am a common man as much as like you. Okay, I am a common man. Okay, I mean, who really want to earn money, who want to be rich, who want to be successful in life, and who's day by day struggling and just facing life problem as a challenge. So I'm just a common man, just like you. Look, guys, whenever we just talk about, we always just talk about Hollywood name, that. He is a great actor, he is a great actor, but I really don't think so. Why people don't see Om Puri, Amrish Puri, Nasruddin Shah, Amitabh Bachchan? I mean, just look at them. Just look at them. What kind of art they have, what kind of skill they have. I mean, I really can't say that the talent we have, but you know what? We didn't respect. I mean, I really don't think so. We justice for them. Yes, they did a very great job, very fantastic job. But there are a lot of method actor, lot of real actor who are struggling day by day, and you know very well that all just nepo kids. I mean, they just ruin all the industry. They just ruin all the industry. I mean, I just hate these nepo kids. I hate this nepotism. I mean, people who are really deserve it, people who are actually deserve it, they don't get a chance, and people who are just come from a lavish background, from a godfather background, they get a chance quickly. Okay, I mean, just tell me, people who are belong to poor and middle class people, where they will go? They have a talent, they have a school, where they will go on? Okay, so I mean, it's very unfortunate that, and it's very disgusting that we are seeing this mosquito, this insect in our Hindi movie industry. I mean, this, look at over, I mean, last 10 or 15 years, I don't even want to take a name. What kind of actor we are seeing, what kind of actor we are seeing. I mean, where our legend, where are our method actor, where they are all day by day gone. I mean, people who struggle, I mean, Manoj Vajpayee, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Pankaj Tripathi, they are struggling so many years, then they get a chance. Okay, but people who are just come from a lavish and a godfather and just get a chance just quickly. Okay, just because they have a father figure, because their father is rich. Okay, so but so I really want to change this world. I really want to change this world. So this is my channel is all about helping you. Okay, and guys, you just take care of him, because you can see heat wave increasing day by day. Okay, heat wave increasing day by day, so you have to look at yourself and care yourself. So please, thank you very much, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much.